Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging in to PSN on a PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you are signed into your account but not into the PlayStation Network, here is how to do it. From the main dashboard of your PS4, move up to the top to get to the control menu. Move all the way to the right and open Settings. In Settings, select Account Management. The first option here is to sign in. Select that. You will then need to log in to PSN using your email and password. Click Login once done. Your PS4 user account is now signed in to PSN. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.